In the world of financial markets, asset classes plays a significant role in building a diversified portfolio and also to generate an optimal return. When dealing with investments, it's essential to understand the different asset classes and which investment falls into each. There are many types of asset classes, but popular ones are equities, fixed income, and commodities. But nowadays, investment professionals and banking institutions started categorizing commodities, derivatives, and even cryptos into the asset class mix. But what is an asset class? Asset class is grouping of investments which exhibits similar characteristics. Still not clear? Let's see a quick example. For our office commute, either we can take our car, bike, or even we can get into a train. But even though the purpose of the vehicle is same, but the characteristics are different. What I mean is, we cannot compare the Tesla's car speed with our bike speed or with the railroad speed. In the same way, the asset's characteristics should exactly match in order to classify them into the right baskets. Let's see a quick example. So we can classify the shares issued by Apple and shares issued by Tesla under the same classification, I mean the asset class classification as equities. Because of the riskiness, time horizon, and rules and regulations of the underlying instrument matches. Classification really helps in asset allocation. With the help of that, we can make sure that our portfolios are not underweight or overweight in a particular asset class. So we can make sure that our weights are correctly balanced.